Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and today we're going to take a look at the budget beater. I got to thinking about it. I don't think I've ever showed you guys this full boogie race ride, what it's all about, other than a couple little snapshots. So we're going to do a quick walk around on it, and then we're going to talk about the transmissions. The transmission, we took it out racing this weekend, and it pretty much well grenaded on us, so we're going to have to change that out. We was wanting to leave it up to you guys what to change and what to change it to, but being that the transmission gave up on us, we don't really have no choice. So what we're going to throw out there to you guys is we got this transmission right here. We can pick it up for 800 bucks. It's a turbo 350. It's got a 4,000 stall in it. It's supposed to have a shift kit and stuff like that. Our buddy had it in his mud buggy. Says it's got about 5 passes or so on it, and he wants 800 bucks for it. Or we got this Power Glide over here. It's got a trans brake, it's got an ultra bell housing, and it's got a 3500 nitrous converter, and we can pick it up for 1,000 bucks. So you let us know in the comments below. Popular vote, that's the transmission we'll go with. We're going to take a quick look at this, show you what we're working with. Anybody right there know what that is right there? Let us know in the comments below. See if anybody's seen that before. Looking at our fuel filter, looks like the foam in our fuel cell's starting to come apart. It's probably something we need to address sooner rather than later. But this old car, we call her the budget beater for a reason. She's pretty rough. My first intentions is I was gonna cut this up, pretty much well cut it up and just put new quarters and a roof on it and make a chassis car out of it. But I'm having quite a bit of fun with it, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I think I might just leave it like it is and see if we can't get it to the 690s and leave it like that and beat the crap out of it. As you can tell, she's holy, got rust everywhere, but in all actuality she's really not that bad in comparison. Most of this stuff you end up cutting out and changing anyways, so it's a car that could definitely be fixed if you wanted to. Got some rust up in there. I don't know, like I say, we'll see what time will tell us where it takes us. The frame is pretty clean on it. It's got one spot of rust on the frame over here, but it's not too bad. It's not a huge deal. The fender, it's gone. The doors, they're pretty much well done. The quarter panels, all the typical stuff is definitely done. Trunk pan's done. But we're having fun with it. Hopefully you guys are having fun with it. I like that everybody's been putting comments and tips and tricks and stuff. Let's keep that going, because other people are reading it, trying it on their rides, and as a community, you know, we get smarter. Something else we got going on this week is told you how the control arm bushings are gone. We found these. They came in on a derby car a few years ago. We got to cut them down. We'll cut them down and make them work in there. Right now we're at about 4,200 in our budget. So the transmissions, that's going to get us around 5,000 to 5,200. We actually got a little bit more money in the till today. I sold the set of heads that came with the car, the set of double hump heads. A guy off of YouTube got a hold of me, said he wanted them. We got 200 bucks on them, so I let them go. I just wanted to bring you guys a quick little video, show you what was going on. Thanks for watching.